Hi everyone, I'm just checking in to tell you that tomorrow is my second Synchronicity of Self workshop in downtown Redwood City. So the theme is write out 2018 and write in 2019. So it's not about regrets and resentments. It's just taking a quick look back with gentleness, with compassion, and moving forward into 2019 and formulating some new ideas and plans and things that you've been putting off. So it's at the Dragon Theater tomorrow, Saturday, the 19th of January, 2019. I love that it's 1/19/2019. And the address is 2120 Broadway, 2120 Broadway in downtown Redwood City from 1 to 3. I just want to let you know that there is no rain scheduled for tomorrow in Redwood City, so if that's one of your reasons why you can't come, cross it off. Another reason you might have is that I'm busy and I don't have time to get everything done. Well, this is a long weekend for a lot of people because of the Martin Luther King holiday on Monday. So, cross those two reasons off why you can't come. I still have seats. We're going to have meditation. We're going to journal. You can bring your own journal, or I have some journals. Have you ever seen these little field notes? This little company, I love them. And so they have all different kinds. And so I'll be giving those out if you don't bring your own journal. And I will bring markers and pens and pencils if you want to use your right brain to create your future vision for 2019. Okay, see you tomorrow, 1 to 3, Dragon Theater, Redwood City. You can sign up on my website, joankling.com, or on Eventbrite. joankling.com or Eventbrite tomorrow, 1 to 3 Pacific Time in Redwood City, Dragon Theater. Bye for now. Bye.